So time for another van build update. Took me a little while to figure this out, but I've finally got it sorted. I'm going to show you how these bridge pieces work going across the 2 benches. So got the first one done now, and I'm using what's called a button fix. It's these little plastic circles here, and then there's another piece that clips into those. So those will clip in like this. I'm not going to press it on because without the wood it's a little tricky to get it off, but so I'll do a demonstration with the full piece here. Alright, so this is the bridge plate. It's got the button fix attachments on the corners here. The aluminum gives it strength to bridge across that gap, and other than that it's just 1/2-inch plywood. So you just get your buttons lined up and pop it on. There we go, now it's plenty sturdy. Won't go back and forth or side to side. And then to pop it off, so it's the opposite. So the buttons don't really carry any weight. What carries the weight is this piece here. So we've got a 1/2-inch of aluminum that's bolted in to the main vertical supports, and that's what carries the weight. So I've got a few minor adjustments to do here, but yeah, the buttons just kind of hold it in place, but the weight is carried here where these where this 1/2-inch of aluminum is sticking out, and this aluminum on the bridge plate mates up with it, and that's what takes the weight. And we've got the same thing going on the other side.